how to download and insert 3D models in PowerPoint. So if you want to download and insert 3D models in PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and search for Sketchfab. Once you've searched, you need to go with sketchfab.com and this will take you to the website right here. Now you need to go and create an account if you have not created. And after signing up, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just create your profile, go with continue. Now you need to go and search for any 3D models that you would like to download. For example, I'll go with car. And as you can see that you will have all of these 3D models right here. So you need to right click on any one of these models or just click on it and you will have a download option. If it's for free, you can just simply go and download it. Once you have your free models, you need to just click on the model and go with download, which will be on the right side. Click on I agree and then go with accept and go with download. Now, as you can see at the top right, it has been downloaded. Once you've downloaded, you need to go back, open up your PowerPoint and go with a new blank presentation. Once you're on your PowerPoint, now you just need simply go with insert, and from the insert, go with 3D models and go with this device, or you can also go with stock 3D models where you will have a lot of 3D models, or just go with this device. Here I have this 3D model, just click on it and then open. And once you click on insert, it will be inserted. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.